And wherever you might be watching this, I hope that you're safe and stay that way. We know the world is going to change post lockdown. To coin a phrase, we will have to think a lot more out of the box after emerging from our boxes. Along those lines, this series takes a look at some simple ideas that you can start working on right now, which will help you on that journey. Today's idea is rediscover your writing skills. Rediscover your writing skills. Writing tends to bring back memories of homework and punishment from school, not very pleasant ones, which is why we tend to leave it behind as we grow up. However, there are few things more potent in terms of improving your thought process as writing. It really helps hone and improve your thinking skills. Writing can be likened to indulging in regular abdominal crunches for your thinking. It helps put it in shape. It makes it look far more attractive. It ruthlessly burns away the fat and flab in the conversation. Put another way, writing gives your thinking shape and structure. Writing is also very powerful when it comes to making you a more articulate and persuasive person. That will ensure you end up getting a lot more of what you really want. Let me take you through my 3 R's of writing. The first R is regularize. Write more often. Even if it is just a line, try and write something new every single day. And I don't mean your shopping lists. In these days of social media, we have an excellent opportunity to improvise, experiment, and really improve our writing skills. So when you post a picture, don't just post it by itself. Try and trace the story behind the picture. Don't simply forward stuff. That is not what forward thinking is meant to be. If you are forwarding something, frame an argument around why you think that is worthy of being shared. Initially, you will find this writing bit difficult, but don't get swayed by the snide remarks and the criticisms which will inevitably come. Remember, the greatest writers in the world endured the harshest criticisms. The second R, reframe. Learn to reframe using analogies and metaphors. This will make your writing far more interesting. Think, what is this subject or this experience like? What it can be compared with? For example, can this lockdown be compared to a worldwide game of hide and seek? Did you posting a picture on your Facebook page bring friends rushing back like moths to a fire? Could you liken your last trip to the gym to a car which had difficulty starting up? Metaphors and analogies will make your conversations, both written and otherwise, far more interesting and engaging. The third R, learn to rhyme things. Try and rhyme things. We need to infuse a sense of playfulness in our writing, and few things do that as well as trying to rhyme things. In fact, if you cast your mind back, many of the most famous slogans used by leaders have tended to rhyme. And that's because rhyming makes that message stick, it makes it more memorable. So try your hand at this tool. In that spirit, if you have fun when you write, your ideas will come out effortlessly without a fight. So, those were my 3 R's of writing. They were regularizing, reframing, and rhyming. So, I do hope you pick up your pens or put your fingers onto the keyboard and do the right thing during this lockdown period. All puns intended. Thank you and take care.